How to make reels on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Instagram Reels is a feature that allows you to create and share shorts, engaging videos with music, effects, and creative tools. So, if you want a step by step guide to create your first reel, here is the steps. First of all, open Instagram and from the bottom corner, select on Reels or video icon. Now you can surf through different video reels to select the music that you want. The original audio will be provided on the bottom left of the corner. Now tap on the music if you want to use that music. You'll have an option to use the audio. You can listen to the full track using the slider. Once you tap on use audio, it will take you to another page. Now you can either select or shoot a new video, or you could select the template as well. But if you do not want to use template and want to create a new video, you can go back to the previous page by tapping on the cross button which is on the top left. After that, tap on use audio again and you can shoot the videos. There are different options given, such as select the music and slider to select the part of the music that you want to add. You have effects that you can add. You can select how zoom in you want. You can even select the speed of the audio. You can choose the video layout, select different kinds of option, as well as set a timer. Once you have shooted the video, you can add stickers, text, and drawings similar to Instagram stories, and then you can post your reel. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.